Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. My dear students, today I am here with you with the 11th lesson of English from unit number 11. Why must we wear seat belts? Learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, the students will be able to solve some exercise questions from their English workbooks. Hold your pencils and keep your English language workbooks with you. Today's task. Today we are going to solve unit number 11 from our English workbooks. So, open your English workbooks and write down date and today's task on these 4 pages. Now open page number 67. Let's start from the first question. Answer the following questions. Here are some questions and we have to answer them. Number 1 is, what should we do if it is raining? Yes, हमें क्या करना चाहिए जब बारिश हो रही होती है? Write down the answer. We should drive slowly. We should drive slowly. We should wear raincoats. Question number 2 is, when should we cross the road? The answer is, when the traffic stops on red light. When the traffic stops on red light, then we should cross the road. Question number 3 is, what should we do when we go to a library? The answer is, we should follow library rules. We should follow library rules. Question number 2 is, match the words with the letters to complete the following. The first one is done for you. They have given you the words and some letters. We have to complete these letters and match them with the given words. As they have done the first one, question and answer. Number 2 is bread and butter. King and queen. East and west. Fork and knife. The first letter they have written, we have to write the next letters to complete the word. Cups and saucer. Cups and saucers. Great and small. Read and write. So, this was your question number 2. Now turn to page number 68, part C. Look at the actions and match the opposites. Here are some action words and on the right side here are the opposites. We have to match them. Opposites means ult alfaz. So let's match them. First one is climb, चढ़ना, fall, गिरना, sit, बैठना, stand, खड़े होना, sell, बेचना, buy, खरीदना, throw, फेंकना, catch, पकड़ना, cry, रोना, laugh, हंसना. Next is D part. Choose 5 action words from the above list and make sentences of your own. In the C part, there are some words. We have to choose 5 action words. What are action words? Action words are doing words. कोई भी काम करना. That is called an action, or you can say doing word or a verb. So, let's make the sentences with the help of action words. The first word is climb. So, let's make the sentence of climb. The boy is climbing on the tree. Next is sit. The girl is sitting on the chair. Third one is the boy is laughing. Fourth one is throw. The boy is throwing a ball. Last one is sell. The man is selling the flowers. So these are the sentences that we made with the help of action words. from part C. Next is page number 67. Read the following sentences carefully. Number 1 is some children work very hard. कुछ बच्चे बहुत मेहनत करते हैं. Number 2 is some children do not work very hard. कुछ बच्चे मेहनत नहीं करते हैं. Number 3 is my father works in a hospital. मेरे वालिद अस्पताल में काम करते हैं. Number 4 is my father does not work in a hospital. मेरे वालिद अस्पताल में काम नहीं करते हैं. So, can you see the difference in these 4 sentences? Okay, let's read the note. We write do not if there are more than one person or thing described. We use does not for a single person or thing. B number is sentences 1 and 3 are yes positive sentences and sentences 3 and 4 are no or negative sentences. Okay, here are 4 sentences. Some are positive and some are negative. Positive means मस्बत जुमले and negative means मनफी जुमले जिनमें हम नहीं का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. In which we use not, that is called negative sentences. Some are positive and some are negative. Positive sentences are those in which we use yes or we do not use the word not. Suppose like the sentence, some children work very hard. My father works in a hospital. These are positive sentences. And the sentences in which we are using not, that sentences are called negative sentences. Like some children do not work very hard. My father does not work in a hospital. We have done them in the textbook also. Next, they are saying that we write do not if there are more than one person or thing described. अगर एक one person या more than one person से ज़्यादा की बात की जा रही हो तो हम do not use करते हैं. एक से ज़्यादा की बात पे हम do not use करते हैं. And we use does not for a single person. किसी एक चीज के लिए हम does not use करते हैं और एक से ज़्यादा के लिए हम do not use करते हैं. Right? So I hope you have understood what are positive and negative sentences and where we use does and do. Okay? We use does with the singular ones and we use do with the plural ones. Positive sentences are those sentences in which we do not use not. And negative sentences are those sentences in which we use no or not. मनफी जुमले कहते हैं जिनको. Now let's solve the exercise. Change the following into negative sentences. I always follow safety rules. I do not always follow safety rules. Here I is singular but it is a pronoun so we are using do. Number 2 is the boys sing well. The boys do not sing well. Boys are plural so we are using do. Number 3 is he helps the poor. He does not help the poor. When you are using does, don't add s or es. The king punishes people very harshly. The king does not punish people very harshly. She sings beautifully. She does not sing beautifully. The boy writes well. The boy does not write well. On page number 68, number 7, Naveed is a greedy boy. Naveed is not a greedy boy. The girls play well. The girls do not play well. The last question is, write 5 sentences on what we should do when getting into our school bus. हमें क्या करना चाहिए जब हम अपनी स्कूल बस में जाते हैं. Here are some hints. Not run, push, shout, form a line, sit properly. They have given you some hints. With the help of these hints, we have to write 5 sentences on what we should do when getting into our school bus. So let's write. Number 1 is we should not run. हमें भागना नहीं चाहिए. Number 2 is we should not push each other. Number 3 is we should not shout. Number 4 is we should make a queue. Queue means to make a proper line. Number 5 is we should sit properly on our seats. Next is task to do. Students, you have to learn the exercise of unit number 11 from your workbooks. Learn all the questions properly. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. I will see you soon with the next one. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.